Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, as Kaizer Chiefs are linked with striker Etiosa Ighodaro. We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Etiosa Ighodaro, 23 years of age, Nigerian international, currently a Mamelodi Sundowns player, but it's believed he's going to be a free agent at the end of June. That's according to Unplayable ZA. He was signed by Mamelodi Sundowns in 2021, has not played a single game for Mamelodi Sundowns. He was sent to loan to University of Pretoria in the Motsepe Foundation League. He didn't score a goal. He was sent to Chippa United on loan. He scored 11 goals. He was sent to SuperSport United on loan. He scored 8. And he was sent to Amazulu. He scored 6 goals. So judging from these numbers, for me, he's not good enough, mate. Have our standards dropped to a point where we think every player from our rival teams, whether they were doing well or not, we think they are going to be good enough for us? This guy has scored 25 goals in 97 games since he came to South Africa. Only 6 goals last season. That's bad, mate. That's bad. Wandile Tuba scored 5 goals. So how is Ighodaro improving us? How is moving from a 5-goal striker to a 6-goal striker an improvement? Chivaviro scored 3 goals in 19 games. So we are moving from a 3-goal striker to a 5-goal striker. How is that a fucking upgrade? How is that a fucking upgrade, mate? Should have kept Chivaviro once. I'm hearing some people saying Ighodaro is a good player. He can link up play, strong in the air, can hold the ball. Mate, shut up. I don't care about all that. A striker should be judged based on the number of goals he scored. A striker's job is to put the ball in the back of the fucking net. I don't care about how you dribble. I don't care about how you pass. I only care about the number of goals you are going to give me. That's a striker's responsibility. The moment you have to justify, the moment you have to make such excuses, he's comfortable in the ball, what, it means that striker is not good enough, mate. Give me some goals, then you are a good striker. We are only going for this guy because he's a free agent. That's how we roll, mate. That's how we roll. You cannot convince me otherwise. And what worries me here, this is one of the positions we have to strengthen. We had goal scoring problems last season. We were missing chances. We only scored 25 goals in the league. 25 goals in 28 games. Sundowns scored 65. That's more than twice of what we scored. Orlando Pirates scored 43. Just look at the massive difference. The difference is very huge. Our strikers last season, Wandile Tuba scored 5 goals, HD Dupré scored 3 goals, Ranga Chivaviro scored 3 goals. That's 11 goals combined. Reyners alone scored 14 goals. Reyners scored more goals than our 3 strikers' goals combined. It tells you about the difference. It tells you we need a lethal striker. And Ighodaro is not that guy. We need a striker that's going to give us at least 10 goals a season in the league. And I don't think Ighodaro is that guy. I don't think Ighodaro can score 10 goals at Kaizer Chiefs. And I don't know where all of this is coming from. Throughout the season, last season, Kaizer Chiefs were never linked to Ighodaro. Why? Because he had a contract with Mamelodi Sundowns. But now, because his contract is coming to an end, they said, nah, now let's go to him. Let's go sign him. If they believe he was good enough, why didn't they try to sign him from Mamelodi Sundowns? Yes, one can say Mamelodi Sundowns were never going to sell to us. But then this is a player they weren't using at all. He hasn't played one single game for Mamelodi Sundowns since he joined them in 2021. So I don't think Sundowns would be interested in keeping this player, considering the amount of centre forwards they have in their team. I don't think they would have stopped Ighodaro from leaving. So we are only going for this guy because he's a free agent. Yes, I know there aren't many good strikers in the league. There are only a few. I can only think of Zaimovic from GS Galaxy. That's a striker I would love to see at Kaizer Chiefs in the league, because we are not getting Reyners. That's a striker I think we should be going for, because we are obviously not going to sign Fiston Mayele because of his crazy wages. But then Etiosa Ighodaro is not the solution. But then there's nothing concrete as of now, but then keep an eye on this one. I will keep you updated. Let's see what happens in the upcoming weeks, days. So make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and not miss out on any news. Thanks for watching. I'm out.